All right, WMC, here's the video to find the winner of Robert's, was this a pick one? Medium or XL hoodie. So that's what we're doing here. This is a winner's choice. Right, we'll check the time, May 6th at 3:23 p.m. We're going to go over to the raffle and type live. And we have May 6th at there we are, 3:23 p.m. There's the list of our 10 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. That's not going to work. 9 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and last and final. Here we go. Good luck. 9. Brian, spot 9 is your winner. So Brian, please get with Robert to make your pick. There is our verification code, our timestamp once again, May 6th at 3:24 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.